So let's talk about the introduction of DERMAPTERA. What is a DERMAPTERA? DERMAPTERA is the order of insects commonly known as earwigs. They are omnivores and eat many pet species, though they are often beneficial for garlands. There are about 2,000 species in 12 families in this order. Earwigs are a small group of insects. They can be found all over the world, and they prefer moist habitats such as compost pile and gardens. It is very uncommon for earwigs to actually enter the ear, so they do investigate any crevice.
Now I will introduce to you the morphology of earwigs. This is an illustration of an earwig. Earwigs are small insects which are about 1 to 3 centimeters in length. Earwigs have a pair of forceps-like pincers on their abdomen, as you can see on this illustration. Earwigs have membranous wings folded underneath short, rarely used forewings on their thorax, as well as 3 pairs of legs. On their heads, earwigs have a pair of eyes, antennae, and mouth parts called mandible.
Now, I will explain the life cycle of DERMAPTERA. Earwigs undergo gradual metamorphosis, which is the process of changing stages from egg to adult in insects. Earwigs are hemimetabolous, meaning they undergo incomplete metamorphosis, developing through a series of 4 to 6 molts. The developmental stages between molts are called instars. Earwigs live for about a year from hatching. They start mating in the autumn and can be found together in the autumn and winter.
The diet of earwigs is diverse due to its depends on different earwig species. Mostly they are fed on decaying vegetation. They eat composting leaf and other decaying plant items found under wet leaf and mulch. Furthermore, they also eat fruits, flower, and some small insects. For example, corn silk, sunflower, lettuce, strawberries, cucumber, mite, fish, insect eggs, and so on. Earwigs are also known as scavengers. This is because they will consume the animal matter.
Next, I will explain the habitat of DERMAPTERA. Earwigs hide during the day and live outdoors in large numbers. They can be found under piles of lawn clippings, compost, or in tree holes. They enter buildings through cracks in the walls. These nocturnal insects hide in cracks, crevices, under bark, and in debris during the day. If present in sufficient numbers, earwigs can be found hiding almost anywhere in the homes of humans. Thank you for listening to our video about DERMAPTERA.